Well, we're here with Sport Integrity Australia, part of the Australian Sports Commission, and we've been delivering a series of workshops to their entire staffing group around combating vicarious trauma.
It's interactive, engaging, and learning.
This workshop matters because providing support and services to people that have been affected by trauma is incredibly important work.
This workshop has helped me understand that vicarious trauma can be something that is almost contagious in the workplace if you're not aware of it.
The content is so applicable in any setting, whether that be professionally or personally, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone from any industry.
The course has really helped me to consider how I can look after myself and do the best in my role and have resilience in being able to support and give back to others.
I feel like this is a really practical exercise and training day that we can help improve ourselves and then, hopefully improve others as well.
If I was to describe the workshop, I think insightful.
Relevant.
Informative. Practical.
Engaging.
Needed.
Useful.
And fun.
So if you'd like to inquire about this or any other workshop, we'd love to work with your organisation and tailor something to your needs.